Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Sally Acorn in Sonic Pulse. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Custom Character option. This is your starting point for bringing Sally to life. Next, you'll want to choose a base character model that best fits her squirrel-like appearance. Look for a medium-sized, agile-looking character. Once you've made your initial selection, confirm it to move on to the detailed customization screen. Let's get started. Now, let's refine Sally's physical attributes. Adjust her height to around 3 feet, 3 inches for an accurate representation. For her fur, select a light brown or tan as the primary color. This forms the main body of her design. Then, choose a distinct, lighter cream color for her muzzle and belly. This contrast is crucial for her iconic look. Pay close attention to these details to ensure a faithful recreation. Next, we'll add Sally's signature accessories. Find and equip a blue vest. Aim for a simple, fitted style without too many extra details. For her footwear, select dark blue boots that feature distinct white cuffs at the top. These elements are instantly recognizable. Finally, choose a hairstyle that includes a prominent ponytail, capturing her energetic and adventurous spirit. These details truly bring her character to life. For the final touches, locate and add a small, dark blue wrist computer to her left arm. This iconic gadget is a must-have. Take a moment to carefully review all your customization choices, ensuring everything looks just right and matches Sally's design. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, proceed to save your new Sally Acorn character to your profile. Now you can enjoy playing as her.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.